Hi, myself A. VIMALA, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication, KSR College of Arts and Science, Tiruchengode. Today we are discussing about biometrics based electronic voting machine using wireless fidelity. First of all, we are discussing about what is meant by communication. Communication means sharing for information. The message can be exchanged between one place to another place. First of all, what is meant by biometric? Biometric is a unique recognition between verifying the human, space, eye and voice. Next one, it is based on IRIS technology. IRIS technology, we know that human eye contact and information can be updated into electronic voting machine. Next one, what is meant by IRIS? IRIS is based on the recognition and authentication of human information and memory storage device. It can be around the world in secured method. It can be updated from all the human beings or information can be updated in this machine. For example, using a server network device method. Why IRIS recognition? It is based on smallest unmatched search speed, high level user acceptance and convenient user interference device. Next one, comparison of biometric authentication methods. It is based on all the human beings eye contact and high level, medium level or less than 140 degree Celsius level. It can be based on level of accuracy, ease of use and long term stability and possible interference device. Next we know that present EVM technique. What is meant by EVM? EVM means electronic voting machine. It can be recording a maximum of 3840 people's details can be recorded. After that it can be entered the people's between counting of 16. Next, what is meant by NIC? National Identification Card. It can be collected each human being's information. What is meant by data? Data means collection of information. It can be updated from in this electronic voting machine can be updated from one of the human being name, location and 2D image capturing and voice recording. Next we are discussing about recognizing and verifying the IRIS pattern. In this level, the pattern capturing methodology based on the video camera. It can be based on one of the human being name, location and 2D image capturing, and then after that the human beings are all entered into the poll booth room. At the time the data can be captured. Next, biometric voting machine. It can be based on the memory register. All the human beings data can be registered to memory. First of all, we are discussing about what is meant by memory. Memory means two types of memory devices, ROM and RAM. It can be based on the permanent and temporary memory device. It is one of the personal identification number, time, vote level that can be stored in the memory device. In this electronic voting machine, that's all EVM machine based on the Wi-Fi technology, wireless fidelity technology. It's based on data transferring method. Data means the one of the human information can be collected and then after that can be stored in a memory register and the data will be transferred between election booth. One time the human will be enter, every poll booth is connected in the election commission through Wi-Fi. Through this data will be transferred into takes place. The central server, as the election finish, the data will be present in BVM machine technology through the Wi-Fi device and through all the human people's voting recording data is connected to the Wi-Fi technology and then store the electronic mails and memory device. Next, the result will be processed. The server can be connected into all the human beings clients that can be stored in memory location device and Wi-Fi system. That's mean by the memory register, the number of arrays can be collected in the collection of information. The information can be stored in memory device. After that, through the electronic mails. Next, the processing of data. Data means collection of information. It can be classified into two types of data, analog and digital data. The human beings electronic voting machine design technology based on the processing of data device and that digital data can be converted into one of the memory location that can be stored into a BVM design technology and electronic voting machine technology. Next up, advantages of electronic voting machine: one election and one vote and one person, defined mobility, and then focus voting, both capturing and less number of volunteers. We will see you later. Thank you.